Hello children, myself Mrs. Dimple Kundar from Seth Vidya Mandir English High School CBSE welcome you all. And I start maths for standard 2 lesson number 5 division. So students, let's see what is division. First, division. What is division? Division is equal distribution. Distribution, what do you mean by distribution? Okay, when you have your birthday in school, what do you all do? You all take chocolates? Yes. Then do you give it to all your friends? Teachers tells you all distribute the chocolates to your friends and you go and give it to all your friends. Sometimes one chocolate, two chocolates to each. Yes, so that is called distribution and you give equally. It is not that you give one chocolate to one and two to other and five to other. Yes, sometimes if they are close friends, you will give 5 or you will give 2 or you give equally to all your friends. So that is, so division is equal distributing, means giving each and one similar numbers. Okay, and the sign for symbol or the sign for division is one sleeping line and two dots on it. Okay, so this is the symbol or the sign for division. For multiplication, it was, yes, for multiplication the sign was X. For addition or plus, it was this sign, plus sign, and this sign was for, yes, subtraction. So now the sign for division is a sleeping line with two dots. So these are the different signs we have already learned and this is a new sign we will be learning now. For example, if I have given you 12 laddus, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now I have to distribute this or give equally to 3 children or 3 plates. Distribute it into 3 plates. How will you do it? How do you know how many you will each person get? So let's start putting one laddu and cancel one laddu from here. So we cut one laddu here. I put it here. I cut the second one, I put it here. I cut the third one, I put it here. So everybody got one. Now I want equal distribution. So now again I will cut 3. 1, 2, 3 and I will put it, in each. 1, 2, 3. Now there are more laddus left. Again I will cut 1, 2, 3 and I will add it here. 1, 2, 3 and now there are 3 more left. So 1, 2, 3 I will add it here. 1, 2 and 3. So how many laddus are there in each? Yes, here there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. So when I distribute equally 12 laddus, it will come into 4 parts for 3 people. And now if you know your tables, 4 into 3 is how much? 12. Yes. So now when I am dividing 12 into 3, it will give me 4 laddus. So 12 laddus I am dividing into 3 parts or into 3 plates. And what am I getting? 4 in each plate. So 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. So I have divided these laddus into 4 for each. Similarly, one more example, divide the following by equal distribution. Okay, so now I want to divide the flowers. The number of flowers given are 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I have to distribute it into 4 parts. So now again what will I do? I will cut 4 and put one here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I got the 4 flowers. Now there are how many more flowers left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So again I will cut 1, 2, 3, 4. So again I will put all the 4 flowers separately in one place. Yes, so now how many flowers? There were 8 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And each part is getting how many flowers? 2, 2, So the 8 flowers, when I divide it by 1, 2, 3, 4, how many are there? 4. So 8 divided by 4 will give you how many flowers each? 2 flowers each. So, and if you go to see, if you multiply 4 2s are 8. So the opposite of division is multiplication. So when I divide 8 flowers into 4 vases, I will get 2 flowers each. So this is called equal distribution. See that none of them have got more. I have divided equally in all the parts. Let's try to solve these sums in your textbooks. Divide or share 12 toffees among 3 children. So now 3 children are given and you are given 12 toffees. So now when you are dividing, so now your first 3, 1, 2, 3. So I will 1, 2, 3. Similarly, I will make another 3 and again 1, 2, 3. Now another 3 toffees I will take. 1, 2, 3, and the last 3 again 3. So now each child will get how many toffees? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So divide or share 12 toffees among 12 children, among 3 children. So 4 for each. Okay, understood? Similarly, divide 9 flowers into 3 pots. Now 3 pots are there, so we will make groups of 3. 1, 2 and 3. So each will have how many flowers? Yes, 3, 3 and 3. So you can draw and color the flowers also. I had explained this kind of sum before. Yes, so 3 flowers each. I hope you all are understanding how to divide. Okay. Now similarly, go further. Divide 12 apples in 4 plates. Now you have to divide 12 apples in 4 plates. So you will make groups of 4. Now these are 4 apples. So I will put one apple in each plate. Okay. Next again I will take 4 and divide each apple in all the 3 plates. I will put one in each. Similarly, another 4 apples and again I will put in the plates. So now each plate has how many apples? 3, 3, 3 and 3 apples each. Divide 8 ice creams among 2 children. Now 2 children are there. I have to give 8 ice creams. So now how I will divide? Yes, I will take 2 ice creams. So now here 1 ice cream, 1 ice cream. Now here again 1 ice cream, 1 ice cream. Again 2 ice creams I will take and I will give 2 each, and the last again 2 each. So each child will get how many ice creams? Yes, 4 and 4. Okay, so this is the way how we divide equally among all the children. Okay.